The Requisitioner responsibility provides the user with a quick and easy way to create and manage requisitions and orders, as well as post receipts and make returns. A quick view of the general layout reveals a link for changing your responsibility or location, links for task notifications, a link to sign out of Spend Manager Pro, menu options, the search bar, your account drop-down options, favorites drop-down options, your shopping cart, and, at the bottom, you may optionally see system messages or notifications. Starting with the Home menu option, and by default, you will see 5 widgets. Starting at the top left, a widget for your top 10 account codes. Then, right of that, the top 10 open orders widget. Then, below these widgets, starting at the left, the top 10 most common items purchased. Then, in the middle, top 10 tasks needing attention. And finally, on the bottom right, the top 10 open requests for quotes. Please note that the widgets displayed on the home page in this video are the default widgets and may differ from the widgets in the actual Requisitioner's homepage. While the default widgets are generally self-explanatory, let's take a look at the Top 10 Account Codes widget to become more familiar with how to configure the widgets to serve you best. The first drop-down in the Top 10 Account Codes widget consists of accounts expiring less than 7 days, expiring less than 30 days, expiring less than 60 days, and expiring less than 90 days. If set to Accounts, this widget will display all account codes regardless of when they expire. If set to expiring less than 7 days, the widget will display all account codes that expire or end in less than 7 days. This setting can be useful to display account codes associated with the end of fiscal year, associated with a contract, grant, etc., to more clearly indicate the urgency and balance of the accounts that are ready to end. The second drop-down in the Top 10 Account Codes widget is the Sorted By drop-down and allows you to sort the date by either balance, low to high, balance, high to low, or expiration date, low to high. To the right of the Sorted By drop-down, there is a Filter hyperlink. Clicking on the Filter hyperlink allows you to filter the data for more efficient viewing. Notice that there is a checkbox for Has Balance and a checkbox for Grants Only. Checking the Has Balance checkbox filters the display to show only those account codes that have a balance greater than $0, while checking the Grants Only checkbox filters the display to show only those account codes that are associated with a grant. It is important to note that the functionality of these widgets is predicated upon how and if your organization has configured your system to operate with the widget. If one or more widgets do not appear to be working properly, contact your system's administrator for support. Now that you know how the Top 10 Account Codes widget operates, you will find that all other widgets operate in like manner. This concludes the video on the Requisitioner's Home menu option.